Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime.
What are you doing?
Having a game of nighttime, daytime. You want to play?
I don't know why, but I don't seem to have a lot of luck with women. I mean, I'm kind, I'm caring, I'm... No, it's a mystery, that.
Alan! 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 Al! Alan!
She's all neck and legs. Look at her.
Oh, I am looking at her.
Stop looking at her.
You just told me to look at her.
Ow!
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 Ow! That's right in my throat, that. John, I don't think we're allowed to wee here.
It's fine, just keep a lookout.
What was that?
That was me zip.
Whoa! Where did all these come from? You know me, lads, I can't wee with an audience. Alan! 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 I'm Wolverine! I'm Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! You can't get me on Wolverine! I'm Sabretooth!
Pack it in. You know I'm working nights.
Cheer up, Trev. I'm all right, Bernie. Here, gag for you. This fella and a giraffe walk into a bar. Giraffe goes to sleep on the floor. Barman says, "Oi, what's that lying there?" Fella says, "It's not lying, it's a giraffe." Giraffe! You crack me up, Trev.
You just like to open wide, sir.
Okay.
You going anywhere nice on your holidays?
I think...
Yeah, don't try and talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. My wife and I are thinking of going abroad this year. Dudley, she's got family in the zoo over there. You got kids?
yeah.
Please don't talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir.
Hi.
Could do the fill-in here, actually, at the back. Is it mainly bananas you eat?
Hello, sir.
I won't tell you again, sir. Please don't try and speak when I'm working inside your mouth. Right, I'm just going to have a cheeky little taste. That's not bad, actually. Know what's done, just need to smell your breath. Oh, God, that is rank. I think I need to lie down. Oh, God.
Alan! 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 Al! Alan! Excuse me, mate. I think you're in my stand.
Can't you just stand somewhere else, mate?
No, look, I've reserved this space here. Could you move?
No, I'm not moving, you move.
Are you going to move or not?
No.
Right. That's it.
Whoa, get off.
Just move, will ya?
You move.
Oh, just move.
You move.
Oh, move.
You move.
Move.
You move.
Move.
You
Move.
move.
Move. Move.
No.
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 Move. Move. I forget it. Sid.
Who's that?
This is your conscience, Sid.
What?
You've been a very naughty boy, Sid.
I ain't.
Leaving them banana skins on the floor so people slipped on them.
No, I didn't. The bin bag, it ripped.
Bin bags? To dispose of biodegradable banana skins? You
What?
must be punished. Gets him every time. Alan! 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 Al! Alan!
Rabbit, bunny, jabber, rabbit, bunny, jabber, rabbit, rabbit, bunny, jabber, rabbit.
Shouldn't have had that 12th coffee. I can't even blink anymore, and I can hear my heartbeat in my ears. I don't get it. Mary had the same as me, and she went to bed hours ago.
Tell me about it. I tried to go to bed, but then I ended up bringing one of those late-night quiz thingies. Name something a woman keeps in her handbag.
What was it? A mouse?
That's what I said. Then I said phone, lipstick, taxi numbers.
What was the answer?
Spatula. They're just making them up now.
Oh, Kevin, that's a lovely tribute.
Oh, so that's not Alan. Steve, that's Steve.
Steve! 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 Steve!